Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing the most important bits regarding all competitive exams. So the SSC, GSL, GHL examinations, the notifications are coming within shortly. So I am requesting all of you, please be careful. Please read our channel VA Academy bits and study these bits. This is the most important bits regarding our examination purpose. I hope if you are like, please subscribe, like and share our channel, and to encourage to us, we are providing more videos. Very few days later, then we'll provide the most important bits examination question paper, like that examination question paper. So you please kindly cooperate with us. The first bit, which vitamin is obtained from the sunlight? So vitamin D. Vitamin D, the natural vitamin. They are asking question like that only. Which vitamin is obtained from the sunlight or the natural vitamin are called? That is the vitamin D. The vitamin D, the most essential element in our human body. Next, the question number 2. Example of weak acid. Carbonic acid, H2CO3. Acetic acid, CH3COH. Hydronium ion. So generally the acids are two types. One is the strong acid, other one is the weak acid. The strong acid, hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. These are the examples of the strong acids. The next question, what is meant by indicators and example? Weak acid or weak base? These are the indicators. The indicators are indicates either the the property of acidic or basic. Next question. How many types of indicators? These are the indicators are natural indicators, olfactory indicators, synthetic indicators, and universal indicators. These are the four types. So what is the pH scale? The pH scale was introduced by Sorensen. So the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in aqueous solution, POH or pH scale. So this is the hydrogen ion concentration or OH minus ion concentration in the aqueous solution. The next question, the range of pH scale are, according to the Sorensen, the range of pH scale is 1 to 14. So generally 0 to 7 is the acid and 7 is the neutral and 7 to 14 is the basic natures. According to pH scale in the Sorensen, 1 to 6 the concentration of the acid will be decreases. It means 1 to 3 the strong acids, 4, 5, 6 are the weak acids. 7 is the neutral. The basic nature starts from 8 to 14 will be increases. It means 8, 9, 10 are the weak bases, 11, 12, 13, 14 are the strong bases. The pH value of pure water and blood. So 7, the pure water is the 7 and the blood is 7.4. Light basic nature. Thermic reacts with the acid and base. No change in acid, base reddish blue. Methyl orange reacts with the acid and base. The methyl orange reacts with the acid, turns into the red color, and base turns into the yellow color. The next question, phenolphthalein reacts with the acid and base. In phenolphthalein, in acidic solution, there is no change. In basic solution, the pink color. The next question, which one does not a plant cell? Centriole does not have a plant cells. A person have O group blood, he can donate all blood groups. The next question, Which one does not have DNA? Uracil. Uracil does not have a DNA. The purpose of antacid tablet is stomach pain. Generally, the antacid tablet is also known as another name is the milk of magnesia. That is the magnesium hydroxide. The chemical form magnesium hydroxide. In our stomach, the acidity, it means the hydrochloric acid is released in our liver. That is actually the sufficient to digestion of the food. But if that acidic nature will be increases, so the basic nature will be decreases. Neutralization will not take place in the stomach. In this condition, now the acidic nature will be increases. The stomach one will be happen. So at that time, doctors are prescribed to us. We have to take the antacid tablet. That is the milk of magnesia. The chemical formula mg twice. When you take the medicine, so the acidic nature will be decreases. That is the reason. The next question. Rusting of iron due to the mixing of ferrous and ferric acid oxides with the oxygen. So the ferrous reacts with the oxygen, the moisture, it can forms ferric and ferrous oxides. The next question. Testicles are present in. Testosterone are two small organs that are found in scrotum. This is only responsible for the release of testosterone. The testosterone is the main male gametes is mixed with the is meet at the fallopian tubes when the she release the egg will breaks, it will meet together to form a zygote. But zygote, we are not considered zygote, but 6 to 8 days after it will form. So the fertilizer will take place at the fallopian tubes. The color of cockroach blood. The color of the cockroach blood is colorless due to the absence of hemoglobin. It is also called hemolump. The next question. Which hormone is responsible for the digestion system? Bile juice. In our stomach it releases the bile juice. It is only responsible for the digestion of our food. The next question. The responsibility of colored flowers. Keratogenous. This is the one type of hormones are present in the flowers. These are the color pigments. These are the responsible for the colors of the flowers. The next question. Goiter disease occurs due to the deficiency of iodine. When she becomes pregnant, she need the iodine. If the deficiency of the iodine now, she suffer the thyroid problem. The thyroid gland is present under the neck, Adam apple. So the deficiency of the iodine, it leads to the goiter, that is the thyroid effect. The symptoms of the thyroid, when the hair falls, she cannot be withstand little cold also. She is very weak and mild. These are the symptoms. The pressure of the air can be measured with the help of manometer. Manometer is the instrument you can measure the pressure of the air in the surroundings. The next question 22. The next question. The pH value of acetic acid is 4 because we are already discussing before the 1 to 6 the acidic nature will be decreases. 1 to 3 the strong acids, 4, 5, 6 are the weak acids. Who was the king of acid? Sulfuric acid H2SO4 is the king of the acid. The next question. Who was discovered hydrogen? Hydrogen was discovered Henry Cavendish. The next question. Who was the father of the modern physics? The Max Planck is the father of the modern physics. According to Max Planck's his theory, all the black bodies are absorbed heat and light it does not emit. These energy are stored in a small pockets. These pockets are called quanta. So this theory was known as the quantum theory. This value 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 kilojoules per kilocalories per joule. Sorry, kilocalories per joule. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 27 ergs per joule. So this is the constant of the pH value. Sorry, this is the constant of the Max Planck's. Next question. Who was proposed quantum theory? The quantum theory was proposed in 1900 century in the Max Planck's. Quantum theory is explained. According to the quantum theory, the Niels Bohr proposed atomic model of an atom. According to Niels Bohr model of an atom, so the electrons revolved around the nucleus in a fixed paths is known as orbits. So these orbits are having indefinite energy. These are KLMNR 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to Max Planck's based on the Max Planck's based on the theory, Niels Bohr explained the atomic model of an atom. Next, who was proposed the relationship between the substance and electricity? Michael Faraday. The electrolysis process Michael Faraday explained to us the relationship between the substances and electricity. When the current is passed to the substance, it will be dissociated into the cations and anions. The amount of the substance depends upon the electricity. If the electricity will be increases, so the dissociation will also directly proportional. So the Michael Faraday in 1833 explained the electrolysis theory. The next question. The mass of an electron 9.11 into 10 to the minus 31 kgs. So the charge of the electron 6.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. The next bit. The ratio of mass or charge of electron 1.76 into 10 to the power of minus 11 coulombs kg. This is also most important bit. The last question. Who was the father of the modern theory? Who was the father of the modern nuclear theory? So that is Rutherford. According to Rutherford model of an atom, the protons and neutrons are present at the center of the atom. The electrons are revolved around the nucleus. So first person to explain the electrons are revolved around the nucleus. But this theory was failed to explain how the electrons are revolved around the nucleus without the losing of energy or gaining of energy. But the Niels Bohr explained this theory, put forward this theory. He is agreed with the Rutherford model of an atom. Okay, the protons and neutrons are settled at the center of the atom, but the electrons revolved around the nucleus are fixed paths. These paths are called orbits. These orbits are 1, 2, 3, 4 or KLMN. Okay, so this is the most important bits, my dear students. Until now, you please aware of the negligence to read and write and observe the all my channels and study well. I hope you are okay. If you are please subscribe, like and share our theory. Thank you. Thank you very much.